we're gonna go in and ta-da! This is the new remodeled chicken coop. Whereas before we had other boxes on the wall and it looked really rough. It had been years since we had cleaned it out as far as it's remodeled it, should I say. And so now this is what's new. We did these new roost bars. I put up some newer curtains because the old ones were the checkerboard ones, and they were completely just way. And I just put it up with some wire and serged the edges and sewed them up. Just a little something to give it a little character. That's our new nesting boxes. And at night, like I said, these close up. So we're really excited. And the inside, all you gotta do is they have holes in them. You dump it out, and you can dump out any of the waste or any of the things, a broken shell, whatever it is that you need to get rid of. And then I put up this wire here so I can hang some of the rosemary and some of the mint and stuff in the summertime with some of the herbs. And then this is what Bruce wanted, to have a Pinterest or Instagram chicken coop. Where before it's just working and practical, so now it's like new, and so this is what it looks like going out. So here we go. We're all excited about it, and I can't wait to see how they react to the new inside. Woohoo! This is the new waterer that we got, and this is the new feeder. Bruce mounted that to the wall. They said to hold it down for a couple days until they get used to it, and it held a 5-gallon bucket of feed. It's a feed-o-matic. And this here is parts of the old chicken coop that we've completely redone as far as the cleaning, and we built what, about 5 years ago now? Mm-hmm. Yeah, 5 years ago. Yeah, well, it's been longer than 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He says it's been 6.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I said I'm 6 years old.
So now we're gonna move some of the other ones over. And I'm going to take you around now and show you the inside. How nice the new nesting boxes look, and how now you can put those up at night so they can't lay in there and have a bowel movement. So, yay! Bruce is putting up the sticks for the little trees that are falling down, and for the roosters. Alright, stop. So now the curtains are up in the chicken coop, and looky there, looky there, looky. I just love this fabric. I've had it for a really long time, and finally got a use for it. Okay, well, here they are now. These are the whitings that have been waiting to come in here, and tomorrow I'll get them out into the front of the coop. But now they're all scared right now. They're like, what are we doing in here? Then the little Polish rare breed one. But now here it is. And again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more of Number 9 Farms.